Lesson number 28, how to use the insert command. You can use insert command and insert a drawing or block into your drawing. In this exercise, we shall use insert command and insert the minute and hour hand on the clock. First, draw a circle of diameter 180 and write the numbers to represent a clock as shown. To write the numbers, use the dynamic text, DT enter, and a height of 10 mm. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. We're going to draw a circle and use DT and write the numbers 12, 6, 9 and 3. Then after that, we are going to insert the minute hand and hour hand beside the clock, and then we're going to move it and position it correctly, and then we're going to rotate the hour hand. So that's what we are going to do. So let's first draw a circle and insert the numbers to the clock. Okay, for circle command, I'm going to take here circle diameter, okay, and click anywhere on the screen. So this is 180 and press enter. Okay, so before I insert the numbers, let me take the layer text so I get a kind of dark green color, and then I'm going to take a DT enter. Starting point of text, I'm going to zoom in very big right to the top and come somewhere down here. Later I can move it. Okay, let this be my starting point, and the height is, we are told, should be 10. Enter. No rotation angle, so I press enter and I type 1, 2 and press enter, enter. Okay, then I need to position it correctly, so I use the move command, M, enter, select the object, press enter, and it should base point, let me take somewhere a point between the numbers right in the center between 1 and 2. Okay, and then I put it exactly in a good position. Okay, that should be all right. Okay, after that I can copy this 12 to all these 3 other places and then use edit and change them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this. So for shortcut key, I'm going to use CO enter for copy. I select the number 12 and press enter. Base point I'll take somewhere in the center here and bring it down here. Okay, so this would be a position for 6, which I'm going to change later, and for 9 it'll be somewhere here, and for 3 I'll put it somewhere here. Okay, finish. I press enter. Now I have to change the number 9, double click on it, and I just type 9, enter, 9 and enter. Okay, and then I take the 12, this will be 3 and enter, and I click this one here and this will be 6 and enter, and enter. Yes. Okay, I finished that. If you want to add a kind of plus sign around here, you can do it. Okay, so I'm going to line and maybe draw a short line here and then move it to this position here. Okay, and then I'm going to take again another line and go a little bit up, click and bring it down a bit. Okay, and press enter. So that'll be our plus sign, which represents the center of the clock. Now we have to insert the hour and minute hand. So before I insert, I'm going to change the text layer to outline 0 to 5, and I have to use the insert button or type I enter. So I enter is easier. I enter. I get a dialog box. Go to browse, go to your DVD drive, and there you can see hour hand and minute hand. Click on it and click open and click OK. Your block definition has changed. Do you want to redefine it? I say redefine. Okay, so in the beginning I'm just going to put it somewhere outside by the side. Okay, so after I insert, I leave it by the side, and if you notice your notes, step number 5, it asks us to explode it because it is now one entity. See, so I need to explode it, which is very easy. You just press X, enter. It says select object. I just touch the object and press enter, so now it becomes two separate entities. So I can move it and place it in the right position. Okay, so let me move the minute hand first and put it in the center of the clock. M enter. I select this thing, center, and click to the center of the clock. So I've moved this one. Then I have to rotate the hour hand first before I place it here. So for rotate, I'm taking RO, enter, rotate, select the object, press enter, a center point, and I can rotate it wherever I want. I can do it this way, see. So once it's in the desired position or rotation angle, I just do a click. Then I use M, enter, select the object, take a center point, a base point, and then move it to the center of the clock. Okay, there you are. So you will need to give this a try. Maybe you have to try a few times so that you get it very efficiently and quickly. Thank you. Why don't you give this a try?